Hello everyone, welcome to Pokemon X Notion, where productivity meets fun. With the latest Notion 2.0 update, my dreams finally became a reality, where I've integrated Pokemon into my Notion setup, featuring Pokemon X Notion. In this template, I will not only include Pokemon-inspired elements, but also practical productivity tools to create a balanced yet engaging experience to keep you motivated. So let's get started. To begin your journey, you will first have to create a profile. The next step is to claim your rewards. With this reward gold, you can purchase your very first Pokemon that will accompany you on your journey to be the very best. The Pokeshop is where you will buy all your Pokemons as well as certain items such as potions or rare candy. Here, we have the original Pokeshop, featuring a whopping selection of 108 different Pokemons, primarily from generations 1 through 4. And with the amount of reward given, it's recommended to get a starter Pokemon, just like any other Pokemon games. Once you purchase your very first Pokemon, you can arrange them into your party by dragging them across. Do remember to also claim ownership every time you drag any Pokemon into your party. Once completed, it's time to advance to the next level. There will be a total of 8 components in our main dashboard, featuring your player profile, skill tree, Pokemon party, a daily tracker, a quest tracker, a to-do list, achievements, and lastly, navigations. So firstly, your player profile. Here, certain details will be displayed such as your hero level, which scales according to your skill tree levels. Your gold, which is earned through completing daily tasks, quests, as well as achievements. Your ranking, which reflects your current level, starting from beginner rank until mastery rank. The higher your level, the higher your rank. You can also customize the ranking based on your preferences. Lastly, titles, which reflects your overall achievements. Once you fully unlock certain achievements, a title will be granted to you. Next is your skill tree. Here, you can input certain skills which reflects your character. For example, if you read books or studying, you can label your skill as intelligence. If you do sports or workout, you can label as fitness. There is no limit to your skills, so learn as much as you can. Since this is Pokemon X Notion template, of course we have a Pokemon party system. Your main Pokemons will be displayed here. Ideally, it should also consist of 6 Pokemons just like in the games. Any extra Pokemons should be labeled as Party. You can always switch out your Pokemons by relabeling them based on the party status property. Other Pokemon-related features displayed here include Pokemon levels, Pokemon HP, their types, Pokedex, and mood, which reflects their current HP. There are also 2 main methods for leveling your Pokemons. One is buying rare candies from the shop, and other is by Pokemon battle through quests. Once your Pokemon reaches a certain level, an evolution status will appear stating ready to evolve. If your Pokemon HP drops to 0 through Pokemon battles, a status message will appear stating fainted, and that Pokemon will no longer be displayed in your party. To revive, you can buy potions from the shop to heal back your Pokemons. Next up, we have our quest tracker. There is only 4 main properties to edit, which are skill relation, difficulty, due dates, and Pokemon battles. Here, you can create any tasks, ideally should also relate to your skill trees. For example, as a medical student, my primary tasks would be studying, which relates back to my skill tree intelligence. You can also create the tasks based on difficulty levels. The more difficult the task is, the higher the rewards for EXP and gold. You can also set a due date for reminders. Lastly is Pokemon battles. For each task, you can send out ideally just 1 Pokemon to complete the task together. Once completed, not only you, but your Pokemon can receive the same EXP reward. However, to keep in mind that if you complete a task past its due date, your Pokemon will also receive damage based on the difficulty levels. You can always customize the difficulty icons, the amount of rewards given, as well as how much damage your Pokemon will receive. So once you complete the task, just hit the Complete button. Similar to the quest tracker, the daily tracker also represents your daily tasks, which you have to complete by the end of your day. For example, by the end of the day, I would have to study, gym, take my supplements, and get enough protein to my diet. You can also visualize your progress through the progress bar below. The more daily tasks you complete, the progress bar will gradually increase. A status message will also appear to keep you motivated. Once you fully complete all your dailies, you can claim your reward. You can also customize your daily tasks by adding or removing new tasks. Do keep in mind that if you wish to add or remove, you will have to edit the progress bar formula property. Here, you will have to input the names of your tasks, add a .ta number and a plus sign. Then divide by the total number of tasks and you're done. Below the quest tracker, you will find a to-do list component. This is just to help you sort out your day, or to add anything else that is non-related to your skill levels. Next up is achievements. Once you reach to a certain progress such as your hero level, number of skills learnt, number of Pokémons obtained, the amount of gold you have, as well as the number of tasks completed, you can unlock certain achievements which will be displayed here. There is also a total of 28 achievements to unlock and a whopping 32,750 gold reward to claim. Once you completed the last achievement for that category, such as learning 7 different skills. A title, Skill Specialist, will be given to you. Last but not least, we have the Pokeshop in the navigation sections. Here you can not only buy your favorite Pokémons, but also buy items in the Pokemart such as rare candies to level up your Pokémon or potions to heal up your worn-out Pokémons. Rare candies will be in stock every 3 days, whereas potions will restock every 5 days, but you can set them based on your preference. In the case where there is no stock, you can always click this button to generate items. In order to use these items, we have a backpack system. Once you click Use, a message will appear stating to choose a Pokémon to use. Go to the items and find Use Pokémons and select. In the case where you wish to add more Pokémons into this template, you can navigate to System Admin and click Pokedex in the last section of the page. Here you can search for your Pokémon and download the icons. You can also search for GIF to make your Pokémon look more alive and interactive. To place the Pokémon in the template, go back to Pokeshop and click New at the bottom of the shop and insert the details based on that Pokémon. You can also set the amount of gold required to purchase. So this is how the template will look like a few weeks after using it. This template is designed not only to boost productivity, but also to add a layer of fun to your daily tasks. While it's not possible to create a fully fledged Pokémon battle system, I've incorporated many other engaging features to keep you entertained. I hope you enjoy this Pokémon-themed template, and if you do, please consider giving it a like. So grab your template now. Link in the description below.